to enjoy this beautiful Saturday before it get hot tomorrow. Do some things for the boy. Pick up some things for the house. And go pick up a smoothie because I think I'm going to do what I did yesterday again today. What's another 24 hours, right? Baby daddy is not working today. Y'all, we got to go make some returns. The flowers, I'm not going to keep the flowers. It was too small. You guys seen it in the previous video. It's too small. The flowers are too small, and the candles does not go in that room. It was a little too pink. You know, I'm thinking I can add a little color, but no, that wasn't the move. So I'm going to return that back to Marshall's. Yep, I have the receipt. If those shoes are still there. Let's see. They are Steve Madden. I love me some Steve Madden. I have on some right now. I love me some Steve Madden. So, and they're $32 for some sneakers, some white sneakers. I think I can get those. We will see y'all. Should we take them into Marshall's? Oh no, we just return it. We'll come back later, right? Are we gonna still grill out?
Maybe.
God bless America. Oh, they have a Yasu. They got stuff you might want. They have like costumes.
Maybe costume.
No, Gio still have that the dinosaur costume. You remember that one? Yeah, it's still in there. That was last year. And that thing was not cheap. Hey y'all. So I just got back home from Marshall's and I did a return. Remember I showed you guys the flowers? They did not work. Still there. These are Steve Madden's. Look how cute they are. Like, look how cute these shoes are. Let me see if y'all can see. They go with everything. Got the little silver detail in the back. I paid $32, and if anybody knows me, know I love me some Steve Madden's. These are size 7.5. I don't know why these were $32, but the other ones beside it was $34, so it's just a $2 difference. And I went with the $2 savings, right? I feel like I can put these on with everything, right? Just the plain white shoe, but it's done so right. And then I was like, let me go into the men's section because I need some t-shirts, right? If I'm going to get on camera, like I need some t-shirts. So I saw this shirt right here. This is called, it's a Monet on there. And it just got a lot of blues and greens and, you know, stuff that I feel like this is cute together. And then I got another shirt in the men's section. Yes, in the men's section. It says, have a good day. And it's a little tie-dye shirt. And it got something in the back, right? About having a good day. Choose happy. Like, why not? And look how cute that is together. Like, I got 2 of those. And remember, the stuff that I got yesterday. And I can wear these shoes with the stuff I got yesterday. So, it looks like I have a lot of outfits with with like a couple of things. So, I'm trying to get into my, like, capsule wardrobe. Get me some blazers, a black one, a brown one, and maybe, like, a navy blue, right? And that's so many outfits. Like, so many outfits, right? I have the shoes. I just don't have that stuff. For that, I want to hook up with my cousin Candace so she can take me to the thrift store because she be thrifting, y'all. She be thrifting. And I feel like at the type of thrift store she go to, they probably would have some really good, reasonable, um, affordable, great quality blazers. So I'm gonna hook up with her to see about that. But yeah, these shoes are so cute. Okay, you guys, let's see how these shoes look on my feet. Boom. Look at that. I think that even looks a whole lot better. Like this versus like this. Yeah, I feel like that looks a whole lot better. So George picked up some shoes for me in Marshall's, right? And look what my Steve Madden. I told y'all I love him. Oh man. And I have so much room. Not so much room, but they're gonna be so comfortable. There were some cute shoes, some other ones there, but I felt like I would have to buy like a specific wardrobe. Look at that. Oh, this reminds me of K-Swiss, you guys. You guys know about K-Swiss? Look at those. Okay. Look at that. The little thing in the back. That's so cute. Yeah. Next, I'm going to get comfortable so that me and George can go downstairs and tackle the storage room. Like, the storage room needs some help, and we're going to take you guys along with us so you can see exactly. We do this like once a year. Like, we get it all nice and clear. And it's a good thing that we're doing it now because I'll be able to pull out my Christmas stuff so it can be in the forefront, because after fall, it's Christmas. So I'm decorating fall and Christmas for sure. But give me the fall, give me Christmas, like cutting down the tree. What? Are we doing Vlogmas this year? I think we're doing Vlogmas this year, okay? Because I love Christmas. So yeah, let me get comfortable. Like, this thing is so freaking cool. You guys need to get you a gimbal. Like, if you are a vlogger and you want to take this to the next level, I will recommend you getting a gimbal because my hands are free. I do not have to be like, let me tilt. You guys should have seen me with my own little setup. Like, my setup was, you know, stop, pause, stop, pause, stop, pause. Like, with this thing right here, it's just moving with me, you guys. Like, hey, I'm moving, it's moving. Oop. Yeah, see? Oop. It'll tell you if you're out of the shot. Like, get you a gimbal. Get you one of these.